Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to discuss about one more class. So that is a string buffer. Okay. Yeah. In the last video, we discussed about one class with name of strings. Actually, string means it's not a data type in Java. Actually, it's a class. Okay, which contains so many methods. Using object, we can access that one. So both the string as well as string buffer class are present within what one package with name java.lang. Okay, why we are using what a string buffer even though there is a class with name of string? Because the string objects are what immutable, whereas string buffer objects are what mutable. What is the meaning of that one? Assume I'm using what string class. I created object with name of str, and there is a hello I have stored. Okay, now to replace this h with b, I have to replace this h with what b. If it is a string object, so I can't modify in this location. So if we want to modify, that will be modified in some other location with the same reference. Okay, this one is called as what immutable. Okay, so this will going to kill the space within what your heap memory. Suppose if you use what string buffer class, and if you have created an object str1, and if you want to replace what allo with below, then you can replace in the same location. This one is called as what mutable. We can change. So mutable. Okay, we can change. If it is updating in some other location, that one is called as what immutable. Okay, so since there is a drawback in what string class, we are using one more class with name what string buffer. Okay, yeah. So first we will see the different methods in string buffer in this video. Okay, yeah. So, so how to create an object? Class name is what string buffer. Object name new string buffer. If you want to store any string, you can pass as a parameter. Okay, or you directly can write what string buffer str equal to what welcome. Even that is also possible. After that, if you write system.out println what str, you'll get what output as what welcome. Okay, so these are the different methods that are present within a class with name what string buffer. The first method is what append. This one is just like what concatenation, but the difference is in if you use a concatenation, so you have to write in this way: str equal to str dot concatenate some string. Suppose if str contains what welcome, so it will go to after writing the, if you write a system.out println str2, you'll get welcome java concatenate. If you don't write this one, okay, if you don't write this one, if you just write str.concatenate java, okay, so it will go to print the previous value of str, that is what welcome. But append it will work. Why? Because this property, mutable property. Okay, that's the difference between concatenate and append. So append just str dot append java, this is enough. If you go with a concatenate, here you have to use one more object name then equal sign. Okay, yeah. Str append java, assume already I created what an object with name str, within which there is a string welcome. So after this you'll get output as what welcome java. Okay, after this this string will be what appended. Okay, so next one is what insert syntax is index as well as what string. There is an example: insert 2 as well as what I means from the position 2, or you can count in the 0 1. From the position of 2, it will going to add what hi. So in the place of l, it will going to add what hi, then this will be printed what as it is. So this is the output you'll get: WHILCOME after what insert. Next one is what delete. For that you have to specify start index as well as what end index. Start index we have given what 2, end index we have given what 4 minus 1, means it will going to delete 2 as well as what 3. 2 and 3 means this I will be what deleted. Again you will get output as what welcome. So next one is what reverse. I think you can understand. So entire string will be what reversed. Next one is what replace. Again for this one syntax is start index, end index and what string. Yes, start index we have given what 0, end index what 2. End index means 2 minus 1. So that will be replaced with what HOW. So start index is what 0, 2 minus 1 means 1. So WE will be replaced with what HOW. If I give just T will be printed what 2 times. Okay, so if I give what string length of 10, that will be 0 1 will be replaced with string length of what 10. Okay, if I give what just 1, that will be replaced with T will be printed what 2 times. So length you can understand, length of the string will be printed. Substring, starting from this index value, see from 3 whatever that is what present, or after 3 whatever the string that is what present, that will be got printed. Okay, so index of is reverse of this one. Suppose if I give what substring, whatever the index of first character, that will be got printed. you give out first string, entire string will be out printed. That is substring. Index of is, if you give out substring, first character index value will be printed. Character at, suppose if I give specify any index value, corresponding character will be out printed. So at 4, what is the character? O got printed. Okay. Yeah, there is one more function with name of capacity. Okay, this is used to check the default capacity of the buffer, and that default value of the capacity is what, 16. Suppose within the string buffer, if I store a string of size 1, then string buffer capacity is what, 17. If it is 280, and that will continue. Okay, this is with respect to different methods of strings. Now I'll write simple program and we'll see what is the output we will get. So for that I've taken on class with name string buffer demo. There's a public static void main. I've taken out on string welcome with the reference what str. So first we are printing the string what as it is. So what is the output you'll get? You'll get output as what, welcome. So we got output as what, welcome. Okay. So next we are appending to Java, means after welcome we'll get one space, next to Java will be added. So we'll get output as what, welcome to Java. See, we got output as what, welcome to Java. Okay. So what is the next output? Insert 4 from the position what, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3 from here, means after C HOW will be what added, then you'll get what, remaining characters. See, after C HOW will be added, then you'll get what, remaining characters. So that is the use of what, insert function. Next, delete from 4 to 7 minus 1 means 4, 5, 6 means 4, 5, 6 means again whatever you added just now, that will be got deleted. See, that is got deleted. Again we got same thing. From 4, this is a 4, 4, 5, 6, 7 minus 1 will be got deleted. Okay. Yeah. So next one is what, reverse. I think you can understand that. So it will print entire string in the reverse order. Okay, length also I think you can understand. So 0, 1, what's the length? 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So you'll get out plus what, 15. Okay. So what is the next one? Again reverse. So you'll get original string. So you got original string. Next, what is the index of index means first character index. It will go to print first character index. What's the index value of W? You'll get what, output as what, 0. See, we got output as what, 0. Next, character at position 6. What's the character at position 6? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, E. We'll get output as what, E. Okay. So last one, substring what, 8. So after 8, whatever that is present, that will, from 8, whatever that is what present, that will be got printed. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll get output from 2 Java. So 2 Java got printed. Okay. The last one is subsequence. So from 11 to 14. Okay. From 11 to 14, that will be got printed. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 from 11. 11 means J, 12, 13, 14 means Java will be printed. See, we got the output Java. So even space will be counted. Okay. Yeah. So this is the output. So this is with respect to different methods in string buffer class. Okay. So what is the advantage if you go with the string buffer class? The objects are what, mutable. Disadvantage of string class is objects are immutable. So just write this editing Java string buffer class and write down this few lines of sentence explanation. Okay. So after that, just write down this one, how to create object. Even you can write string buffer str equal to welcome, and that is also possible. You write on this too, then write down different methods with example. Okay, including capacity. Okay. So then you write on this program.